Specific measures undertaken by the government to generate employment opportunities are as follows. First is Employment Guarantee Scheme (EGS). EGS was first introduced by the government of Maharashtra on 20th March 1972. This scheme was intended to provide productive employment to the rural population and thereby solve the problem of rural unemployment and poverty. Under this scheme, government assures to provide minimum employment opportunities. Due to its success in Maharashtra, EGS was implemented in other states as well. Swan Jayanti Gram Swarozgar Yojana (SGSY). This scheme was launched in April 1999 after restructuring the Integrated Rural Development Program (IRDP) and allied schemes. It is the only self-employment scheme for the rural poor in India. Swan Jayanti Shahari Rozgar Yojana (SJSRY). This scheme was launched in December 1997. It provides gainful employment to the urban unemployed and underemployed. It included self-employment, women self-employment program, skill training for employment promotion, and urban wage employment program. For this scheme, central government shares 75% of the cost and state government shares 25% of the cost. Pradhan Mantri Rozgar Yojana (PMRY). This scheme is being implemented since 1993 to create and provide sustainable self-employment opportunities to more than 1 million educated unemployed youth. Training Rural Youth for Self-Employment (TRY-SEM). It was initiated in 1979 with the objective of tackling unemployment problem among the rural youth. It aimed at training about 2 lakh rural youth every year to enable them to become self-employed. TRY-SEM was emerged in Swan Jayanti Gram Swarozgar Yojana in April 1999. Jawahar Rozgar Yojana (JRY). On 1st April 1989, the government announced a new wage employment scheme, the Jawahar Rozgar Yojana, for intensive employment creation in 120 backward districts. It was restricted to rural areas with effect from April 1999. It was renamed as Jawahar Gram Samruddhi Yojana (JGSY). Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme (MGNREGS). Since 2nd October 2009, National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme has been renamed as Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. This scheme provides at least 100 days of guaranteed wage employment in a financial year to at least one member of every rural household whose adult member volunteers to do unskilled manual work. Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gramin Kaushalya Yojana 2014. It is the most important placement linked skill training program under the Ministry of Rural Development, announced on September 23, 2014. The mission of this scheme is to reduce poverty as well as provide gainful and sustainable employment through regular wages. The focus of this program is on the rural youth from poor families in the age group of 15 to 35 years. National Policy for Skill Development and Entrepreneurship 2015. The first national policy on skill development was notified in 2009. to promote private sector participation via innovative funding models. The objective of this scheme is to coordinate and strengthen factors essential for growth of entrepreneurship across the country. This would include promote entrepreneurship culture, encourage entrepreneurship as a viable career option through advocacy, promote entrepreneurship among women. Startup India Initiative. It was introduced in January 2016 with an aspiration to impart more strength and inspiration to the talented young generation of India to do something new for India and humanity. Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana 2016 to 20. The objective of this scheme is to encourage skill development among youth by providing monetary rewards for successful completion of approved training programs. The government has allocated a budget of rupees 12,000 crores till 2020 for implementation of the scheme.